Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable your Twitch live stream to be played even if you close your Twitch application in a PIP mode. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first, and after opening the Twitch application, you will get to see this profile picture icon into the top left corner. Tap into that option and then go to account settings. After coming into account settings, you will get to see bunch of options into here. Now you just simply have to select preferences, and then you can see here automatically pop out player option at last. Now, if you want to allow your stream to play continuously even if you close your Twitch application and use other applications for a while, your live streams will keep playing into the PIP mode in a small screen. In order to do that, just simply enable this toggle and then you are all set. This way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.